If your students are taking exams this summer, you'll be interested in how grades are awarded. Exam boards recruit and train many thousands of examiners to mark students' papers, referred to as scripts. In most cases, examiners are teachers who specialise in their subject, and the majority have been examining for many years, on average around 10. Most scripts are now marked on screen. For some subjects, examiners mark whole scripts, but in many subjects the scripts are split into individual questions and each question is marked by a different examiner. When marking is almost complete, exam board senior examiners review student work and make recommendations about where to set grade boundaries. To ensure standards are maintained over time and between exam boards, boundaries are set to reflect the demand of an exam paper, which may vary from one year to another. Grade boundaries are therefore set each year after exams are taken, when the exam boards have evidence about how easy or difficult the paper was. When setting boundaries, exam boards use statistics showing the overall ability of the whole cohort of students taking the exams, based on their prior attainment at GCSE or at Key Stage 2, and senior examiners' judgments about the quality of work at key grade boundaries. The boundaries determine the marks needed for each grade. This method has been used successfully for many years to maintain standards, and is an approach adopted by a number of other countries. It provides flexibility to account for changes in performance, and it is not norm referencing, so the proportion of grades awarded is not fixed. You might be concerned that reformed GCSEs and A levels are still quite new, and that this could have an impact on results. Our research suggests that in the first years of a new qualification, student performance overall can dip slightly because they and their teachers are less familiar with the qualifications and there are fewer past papers to guide them. It is important that one-year students are not disadvantaged by these factors. To be fair to students in the first years, exam boards put more weight on statistics. As we move into the third year of some reformed GCSEs and A levels, we expect exam boards to place more weight on senior examiner judgments about the quality of work. For GCSE English Language and GCSE Maths awarding from 2019 onwards, we will have an additional source of evidence from the National Reference Test, a standardised annual assessment of maths and English taken by students in a representative sample of schools. This will tell us how well students are performing in English and maths compared to previous years. With the exam series approaching, we know you will be focused on preparing your students. We are busy preparing too, to ensure the series runs smoothly and to make sure this summer's exams are fair to all students. We will review the data from every GCSE, AS and A-level award before results are issued. We know how important these exams are, and you can be confident your students will get the results their performance deserves. If you'd like more information, please contact our Public Inquiries team at public.inquiries@ofqual.gov.uk.